The 2010 Nissan Armada. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.